Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're going to be basically answering a request that somebody had in the comments during our Shopify Print on Demand series. So if you guys are not familiar, we're doing the Shopify Print on Demand series to essentially show you how to break free from the conglomerates, the big companies, the Red Bulls, the Zazzles, all these companies are great, but a lot of people want to have control over their own platform and be able to produce their own products at the end of the day, which is a really huge factor to control. Now, obviously, there's a lot of people who are going to start and then quit along the way, but the whole point of this series is to get as many people to have control in their own hands as much as possible. That's essentially what the whole purpose of doing this is. All right, because I get so many messages on a daily basis of people saying I got banned from Red Bull, I got banned from Zazzle, I got banned from TeePublic, they deleted my account, Merch by Amazon banned me, etc. And at least you can create your own platform and make your own money. So I'm going to show you guys today the mobile view of the Shopify theme that we're using. This was a request that I got on the comments. Somebody said, mobile is probably one of the most important things because there are more people on mobile than there is on desktop, which is not necessarily true. It depends on the keyword that's being searched and depends on the topic at hand. But it is true that mobile holds a huge weight in the market. I mean, it depends on certain keywords. Certain keywords might have, 80% on mobile, 20% on desktop. And then there might be others where it's 50-50 or 40-60. Regardless of the number, it's definitely safe to say that mobile holds a huge weight in any marketplace in the e-commerce world. And you have to make sure your website is mobile optimized. So in our case, we're not going to have to really work on our website too much. We're using the themepodshop.com theme. I'll leave the link in the description to this theme. It is an affiliate link if you guys want to check it out. This theme is a Shopify theme that basically is created just for print on demand. And I'll show you guys how it looks on mobile. So if you want to take a look at how it looks on mobile, all you have to do is take your current store, as long as it has a theme on it, and just take the tab and kind of like squeeze it in, kind of like this. So just kind of show you guys what I'm talking about here. And you guys can see here in the middle of my screen how everything looks. So this is how it will look on mobile effectively, right? And so except for this little Shopify little icon on the bottom. But you could see here, this is how it looks so far. And obviously you can edit things. You can configure things. You can change things. It's really customizable. You can see here we have the tabbed collections as well, so it's not like they disappeared. We have our a menu on the left-hand side. Hamburger menu opens up a finder with a menu. We have our drop down. You can see here everything functions well. We have our cart. We have our favorites. We also have, if we scroll down, a banner here with a shop now button. We have shop all products or shop all hats, right, with clickable products here. Here we have a, just a section where text and icon section. You can see here how it's overlapped on top of each other. And here we have our split banners. So this is a three-way split banner. We have our first banner, second banner, and third banner, which is actually really good to structure it like this as opposed to like three tiny banners right next to each other. So this is much better. It's much more clear. Then here we have a list of new arrivals. And you can see here on the bottom, there's this little menu scroll, essentially scroll chooser. Sorry, that's what it's called, scroll chooser. And you can see here how it kind of scrolls through, and you can it's like a little nifty. You can click through the different buttons, but you could also click on the arrows, or you could just take your finger, hold and slide, and it works the same way. Let's go ahead and take a look at the product page on mobile. So this is what it currently looks. So here we have a large, bold, very clear, very defined image of the product. You scroll down, you have the thumbnail images here. So if there's multiple images, you have the thumbnail images, you have the sales pop-up, you have the size guide button, delivery and return, ask about the product. Now the size guide, all that kind of stuff we're going to add. We still haven't added this, but some pop-ups about the product, which is great. We have an add to cart, we have a buy with Google Pay, or buy now, or whatever it is. Different kind of buttons. We have order our order incentivization, we have our social proof, we have our free shipping motivator, which is incentivization. Here we're going to be adding our trust badges, and of course we have the description. And in the description we have preloaded some of our sizing charts, which actually we're going to take out. This is just like FYI, we're going to take that out, but that's just something that you guys should know. We will take this out, but it is there. We have our reviews, of course, custom tab and custom tab 2. We've yet to add the reviews yet, but we'll get to that in the future. And of course, on the bottom, we have our related products. And you can see here, large images, real bold. You can see exactly what's going on, which makes it look real clear, real defined, makes it actually look pretty good, right? So it's not like it's losing any kind of quality on the mobile view side. So let's go ahead and add a product to the cart. You can see here we have a product added to the cart. It says added successfully. It shows here a bunch of recommended products, or we could just agree with the terms and check out or continue shopping. Me personally, I'm not going to do either because it doesn't really matter, but you guys essentially see what is the cart look like. So the slider, you have your product here, and then on the bottom you have your free shipping motivator. So here we're going to configure the numbers to have it make sense to where when somebody buys a product, they're actually motivated a little bit more to add more products to their cart so that they can get free shipping. Free shipping is a very, very powerful conversion optimization boost if you kind of configure it right. Now, it's not just offering free shipping as a default setting in all of your products, but what it is give people the option to buy more products in order to get free shipping. It increases average order value, right? An average order value is simply the average of the amount of money per order, or all orders. So if you have 10 orders and some are 50, some are 20, some are 100, and let's say the average order value is $50, right? You can increase your average order value by offering a free shipping motivator. So, for example, if let's say the average product in your store is $50, well, then it would make sense to create the free shipping motivator to be like $65 or $75 or $55, or something close to what that average value of the product is, or the product that's most purchased, so that consumers will look and be like, okay, well, I can get free shipping if I just spend an extra few dollars. So then they're going to go out there, they're going to add another product to their cart. Next thing you know, instead of $50 being the average order value, be 75, 50, 60, 55, 60, 80, 120, whatever the number is for your circumstance, for your case. In our case, we're selling hoodies, t-shirts, and hats. So the average order value is going to be about $35 in our case. So for us, probably best case scenario to set it at $49 free shipping motivator. So here it will say spend X amount to get free shipping. In our case, the full number is going to be $49. If $22.50 is added to the cart already, it will the theme will automatically take 49 minus 22.50, and it will have a number, whatever number that is. I believe it's 27.50 or 26.50, whatever it is, right? And what it will do is the green bar will move up halfway, and it will say spend $26.50 or $27.50 or whatever the number is to get free shipping. So then a customer will be like, you know what, I already spent $22. Let me see how much shipping costs. And so they're going to check out shipping. They're going to be like, okay, it's $6, $7, $8. Well, you know what, I might as well just get free shipping, order an extra product, and that will increase the average order value. And once again, guys, not all themes are created equal. Some themes will have this feature, some themes will not. So every Shopify theme is a little bit different. This one just happens to work really, really well for print on demand. And that's why I use it. Also, you guys get to see finally the mobile view. Once again, this was a request that I had in the comments below. Somebody said, can you show us the theme? I forget who it is, and I'm sorry for forgetting. But somebody said, can you show us how the theme looks on mobile? And I said, absolutely, I'll show you how it looks on mobile, no problem. And so that's what I did. So that's pretty much it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And once again, not all themes are created equal, so if you're using a separate theme, you could have some of these features, you might not have some of these features. It's just, it depends on your theme. But we're using the themepodshop.com by Bots and Apps. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested, if you guys want to check it out. I know a lot of you are. You guys wanted me to do this video, so I put it out. And yeah, that's it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.